Alright, let's solve this question. Please pause the video and try to do it yourself. Let's see how much time you're taking. Okay. Alright, so now if you have tried to do it yourself, I'll use weighted average first. So weighted average ka formula is N1W1 plus N2W2 divided by N1 plus N2. This is what we done in school days. Alright, so now if I want to use this formula where N1, N2 are the number of people and W1, W2 is the weight of the people. Okay. So now this formula will become 22 years is the average age of 11 team members. 11 team members into average 22. Plus when the teacher is added, so teacher coach age 1 coach, uska age x. So divide by total number of people, which is 11 earlier plus 1, 12. And the average is increased by 1. 22 पहले था, 1 increase किया 23. Fine, now if you cross multiply 23 into 12 is equal to 11 into 22 plus x. बस क्रॉस मल्टी माइनस किया, x come out to be 23 into 12 minus 11 into 22. ठीक है, now come the calculation part. Now I don't know how to calculate 23 into 12. Obviously time लगेगा, but I know how to calculate 25 into 12. So 25 into 12 is 300. And then 12 उसमें से दो बार अगर माइनस कर दिया, so I'll get my answer. 300 minus 12, 24, 276. What I'm doing is I'm writing 25. I'm imagining 25 as 23 as 25 minus 2. ठीक है, 12 into 25 300, 12 into 2 24, 300 minus 24 276. So 276 minus 11 to 12. Now 11 to 12 I don't know, but 10 into 12 22 I know. 11 to 22 I don't know. 11 into 10 into 22 I know. 10 into 22 220. Fine. So plus 12 22 more 242. So what I'm doing here is I'm imagining this to be 10 plus 1, 22 into 10 220 plus 22 242. 272 minus 246 is my answer, or which is 34 years. That's my answer. ठीक है, समझ आपको method number 1. ठीक है, we'll do one more question and then I'll introduce you to method number 2. Alright, let's solve this question. So another easy way to solve the normal method to solve this question is using the weighted average. Fine. So 24 students have a weight of 35 kg. So all 24 student weight is 35. N1 D1, N2 D2 divided by N1 plus N2. Average weight. Fine. The weight rises by 400 gram if the teacher is added. Alright, now when the teacher is added, one teacher is added, the average weight increased by 400 grams. So we don't know the teacher ka weight x of total number of people now become 24 plus 1, 25. And average weight become 34 की जगह 34.400 gram, 34.5. Cross multiply, you'll get your answer. ठीक है, 34.4 into 25 equal to 35 into 24 plus x. So ये माइनस करके जो भी वैल्यू आएगा is my answer. So please pause the video and try to solve. Let's see how much time you're taking. ठीक है, ठीक है, x कितना आया? x come out to be 45 kg. Answer is 45 kg, option A. ठीक है, so brilliant method. That's a normal method. So this is what is done by everyone, every student, every coaching classes, because this is a method we know. Weighted average निकाला and we can solve. Let's look at the second method to solve this question. The method, which is a very interesting method, is using sum. Total sum of all the teachers and students is equal to sum before the teacher came plus sum of the teacher. ठीक है, टीचर आने से पहले लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस S1 प्लस S2. 24 बच्चे थे, एवरेज वेट 35, सो दैट वाज द टोटल. टीचर आने के बाद वन टीचर, एवरेज वेट x which you want to find out is equal to the total weight of the class. The total number of people now 25 people, average is 35.5, 35.4. Cross multiply किया, I get the same method which we did earlier, but there's some better way to approach rather than using weighted average. I'll say one step. ठीक है। सो अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, एक्स कम आउट टू बी 45। कैलकुलेशन आएगा थोड़ा बहुत, दैट यू कैन मैनेज। ऑलराइट, now let's look at the shortcuts to solve these two questions. So pick up same two questions one by one and solve with shortcut. Alright, so now method number one I can use is weighted average, which was a normal formulas, weighted average. Second method now is we got the sum ka formula, which is a very good method, which is one of my favorite methods to solve. Okay, now we'll move to the third method, which is my favorite method. पेन छूना ही नहीं है, ये सब टाइम पास करने का, कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Alright, that's the normal method we use to solve this question. Now we'll solve the same question with a shortcut. So इसको साइड पे पार्क करो. Let's look at the same question again. So average age if 11 student was 22. ठीक है, let's assume जब टीचर आया, ये तुम्हारी क्लास है and this is the teacher who is coming in. The moment teacher entered the class, let's assume teacher का weight was also 22. बराबर weight, ठीक है, वो भी बच्चा है, teacher also a kid. So the moment he entered the class, everybody in the class increased their weight by 1. The average increased by 1. तो आप पहले ये बताओ कि टीचर हल्का होगा कि भारी होगा? Obviously भारी होगा. That's why everyone is feeling the weight. If average become less, इसका मतलब teacher was lighter. So all these 11 students and the teacher himself, everyone increased their age by 1. So these 1 for every one of 12 people. This 12 weight जो बढ़ा वो किसकी वजह से बढ़ा? टीचर की वजह से बढ़ा. So if I add this 12 into that average, 12 and 22, 34. Bingo, done. कोई ये टाइम पास जो हमने पहले किया था कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. If you understand this point. ठीक है, let's do it once again. I'll explain it once again. Very interesting way to understand. Alright, so let's do it once again. So average age of 11 student was 22. जब टीचर आया, let's assume उसका भी average age is 22. He was a young guy. The moment teacher entered, everybody felt their age increased by 1. So all the 11 students standing there and the teacher himself, all these 12 people increased their weight by 1 kg. That's why it's happening, because of teacher. So if I add this 12 into the teacher ka weight, total become 34. That's my answer. So imagine a taraju, the weighing machine. There are 11 apples. After I put another big apple, average weight increased by 1. So all that weight increase is because of this apple only. So if I add this increase of weight into that apple, I'll get my answer. Yep. Alright, so let's do the second question as well with the same way. So this was the weighted average ka method we used earlier. I don't need to waste my time because the calculation and everything will be too huge in this method. Let's solve this question now. Again, average weight of the 24 students was 35 kg. So सबका weight was 35. The moment teacher entered, the weight increased by 400 grams. So let's assume teacher का weight was also 35. जब teacher class में आया, teacher also 35. After teacher entered, all these 24 students and the teacher as well, everyone increased their weight by 400 grams. So 25 people into 400 gram, 4 into 25, 100. So 10 kg weight increase. This 10 kg is because of teacher. So 35 plus 10, 45. Bingo. ठीक है. Once again एक बार करते हैं. So average weight of the teacher was 35 when he entered the class, because that average weight was 35. उसकी वजह से all these 25 people in the classroom increased their weight by 400 gram. 0.4 into 25 is 10 kg. So 35 plus 10 kg, 45. That's my answer. Okay, that's the easiest way to solve these questions. Fine. So what we are doing is we are not doing shortcut, we are doing common sense. Fine. So यही मेथड जो हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया था, I'm using the same method only. Trust me, this is the same method. S1 plus S2 is total S. But what I've done here is, instead of doing S1 plus S2, S1 minus this, which was a wastage of time, हमने पहले निकाल लिया, गैप ले लिया. हर्ष होगा एक एक वेट बढ़ा, तो एक एक की बात करना. Why you are adding his complete weight into this figure? ठीक है. So this is the way I teach. There is no shortcut. It is pure common sense. जितना common sense पे खेलोगे उतना तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा रहेगा. I frankly speaking, I don't believe in shortcuts at all. शॉर्टकट्स क्या करते हैं कुछ कोचिंग वाले, दे गिव यू अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन एंड शो यू अ शॉर्टकट ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन. They show you, I can give you magic like this for every question. But the problem is, if I cannot use the same thing for the other question, then what is the fun? Okay. So if you want to see more videos like this, so please do subscribe to us. Please press the button here for subscribe so that you can get all the videos in your login ID in your email automatically. If you have any more comments, you can put in the comment box down there. Alright, if you want to join our program online or in classroom, you can call us on these numbers. So my team will be happy to help you with the programs. And if you have any more question with me, you can ask me on facebook.com/ravgun, RAVGUN. You can personally ask me there, and go to cetking.com for our website. Alright, thank you very much.